Imagine checking your mail one day and finding out you no longer own your own house. No, you didn't sell it. You didn't sign anything. Instead, your own daughter secretly transferred your paid off house into her own name and took $760,000 mortgage and spent the money. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, this actually happened in Ontario, Canada, and the court's decision actually contained a very important lesson for every homeowner. Let's break it down. A Toronto couple had lived in their house for over 20 years. They had a completely paid off house. Their house represent almost their life's entire savings. Then, without their knowledge, their daughter alleged forged their signatures and transferred ownership of the house in her own name. And within days, she borrowed $760,000 against the property. Where did the money go? Over $500,000 was used to pay off mortgage on her own home and help finance another property purchase. The parents has absolutely no idea. They only discovered something was wrong when the property bill arrived, with their daughter's name listed as the new owner. Imagine the shock. Now here is where things get interesting. The lender argued we lent the money to the person who appeared to be the new registered owner on the property. So who should suffer all these losses? The innocent parents or the innocent lender? The Ontario court has to answer this very critical question. The judge ruled that because the ownership transfer was based on forged signatures, it was legally void under Ontario Land Titles Act. And because the title transfer was invalid, the mortgage was also invalid too. The court found out that the lender had opportunity to detect this fraud but failed to do so. The result, the parents got their home back. The $760,000 mortgage was completely removed from their title. The lender, not the homeowners, was left with the financial losses. So here is the consequence. The court was especially disturbed because this wasn't a stranger committing the fraud, it was couple's own daughter. The judge ordered the daughter to pay $150,000 in punitive damages plus $90,000 of parents' legal cost. The daughters appealed, but Ontario Divisional Court upheld the original decisions. So this case teaches us three very important lessons. Number one, even if you have a fully paid house, your house can still be a target of a title fraud. Second, forged documents don't automatically give fraudsters legal ownership. Third, consider purchasing a title insurance. Even after years of living in the house, paid off house, it may help protect you from legal cost, financial consequences of title fraud, identity theft, and other title related issues depending on the policy. Remember, just because someone steals your title on the paper doesn't mean they legally own your house, but proving that in the court could be stressful, time consuming, and expensive. Follow me for more Canadian real estate court cases, real estate tips, and home buying advice. If you are thinking of buying and selling in anywhere in Greater Toronto Area, Southwestern Ontario, reach me anytime. I'll be more than happy to help. Thanks for watching.